Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. This week we are back in sunny California for another Radwood show full of 80s and 90s goodness. Hopefully you guys enjoy this another throwback episode back into the 80s. Let's get to it. Good morning everyone. So my attempt at obtaining some cool things happening around San Francisco last night completely failed. I got super hungry, super tired, and decided just to get a good night's sleep. And now I'm up early, and we are headed to Radwood. So let's do this. You guys seriously didn't think that someone from Seattle was going to drive by a Starbucks, did you? Come on now. Got my refresher, got a banana, got a muffin, set for breakfast. Now let's get to Radwood.
and this show is ridiculous. I know they talked about initially they were going to have about 300 and some cars, and there is well over 300 cars here. I apologize if I didn't get your car in this video, but honestly, there is so much to see here. Like, it is just amazing how much stuff is here and how much cool stuff is here. So that, I can tell you, means that you guys need to get to a Radwood and like experience this, because there's nowhere else that you're going to have a show where you're going to see this much variety and this much cool stuff, and all in one parking lot. I think, God, there's got to be 400 and some cars here that came to the show. All right, everybody, back of my neck looks like a friggin' lobster, and even though I used some sunscreen today, I got friggin' cooked. Kind of look like that guy's legs over there. That guy. No, super good day at Radwood. All kinds of cool stuff. Man, it's like my brain's kind of mush right now, but so much good stuff came out of today. I'm gonna jump in the rental, grab some food, and get myself to the airport so I can fly back, get home late tonight, and go to work in the morning. If you guys didn't go to Radwood, you missed an awesome show. If you did, well, you know what it's about now, and you know, try to get yourself to one of these shows, because it's definitely worth the time. You get to see a lot of cool stuff, talk to a lot of cool people, and that's really what this whole event's about, is just hanging out with cool people, seeing cool cars, and well, that's it. So until next time, get out there and work on something.
He's a route. That's what he's telling me.